Now let's take a look at a somewhat more complicated fan design that uses the same 4 states but has 2 buttons to modify the fan's current speed. There's a change button, which cycles through speeds, and there's an on-off button, which can turn the fan on if it's off, but can also turn the fan off no matter what speed it's in without cycling through the other speeds. As before, the output is a fan speed. At the beginning, the procedure is the same. We define 4 states because the fan has 4 different states it can be in: off, slow, medium, fast. We toss in a system reset, and we identify the side effects. So far, no different from the simple fan. But now we have 2 buttons to work with. If the fan is off, you can press either button to turn it on, which kind of makes sense because somebody wants the fan on, they'll just press a button and see what happens. We've decided in this case that both buttons will put the fan into slow speed. So far, feels the same as the previous design. And pressing the change button cycles from slow to medium to fast as before. But here's a twist. When you're in fast speed, instead of the change button turning the fan off, the change button goes to slow speed. That means that once the fan is operating, the change button cycles through slow, medium, and fast, then back to slow, and never turns the fan off. Well, how do you get the fan off? That's what the on-off button is for. The on-off button from the fast speed is what you use to turn the fan off. But you don't really want to have to change speed to fast before you can turn it off. So the on-off button also has guard conditions from all the fan motion states back to off. Summing up, pressing any button turns the fan on. The change button cycles through the 3 speeds, and whenever the fan is running, pressing the on-off button will turn it back off. As with the previous design, there are different ways to do this. You could have, instead of going slow through fast, gone fast through slow, and so on. But the idea is this state chart shows you an unambiguous definition of what the buttons do, how they do it, and it's relatively straightforward to look at the picture and understand what the system is intended to do.